Welcome to Science Lab. Science Lab is an easy-to-use 3D drawing app that allows you to create and 3D print 3D designs in minutes through drawing. You can use one of the templates or grids in the app to guide your creations, or even use a photo as a guide. You can write in 3D too. Simply sketch or trace with your finger or an Apple Pencil, and your drawing or writing will be automatically turned into a 3D model. If you decide to use your own imagination to create a 3D design, Science Lab offers tools such as a mirror tool, a ruler, or a compass to support you. These tools not only help you create your 3D designs, they are also great ways to support math and geometry learning, whether you're in a classroom or at home. Whether you are free drawing or using a template, Science Lab also offers editing tools so that you can easily modify elements of your 3D creations. Simply tap on the element you wish to edit to select it, and once it is selected, you can copy, move, or delete it. You will find your 3D designs in the Portfolio section, where you can also order 3D prints of your 3D models through a 3D printing service linked in the app. And if you are new to 3D printing and need to learn more, head over to the Learning Zone. There you will find a lexicon of important concepts to know about 3D printing, as well as stories from Cyantists We Love, who share how they use 3D printing in amazing ways through their work in healthcare, animation, 3D modeling, jewelry design, and more. We hope you enjoy working with Science Lab. Happy creating!